From very far distances, we can determine if a bread is being baked or a pastry is being made. This can be attributed to the distinct flavor and aroma that these items acquire while baking. This process was studied by a French chemist named Louis Camille Maillard and hence called as Maillard reaction. So, Maillard reaction, which is a non-enzymatic browning reaction, occurs between amino acids and reducing sugar. During the reaction, there is production of several aroma components and a brown color is imparted to our bakery products, which enhance its appearance and make it appealing to the consumers. So, what happens at molecular level? So, the amino acid contains an amine group wherein you have nitrogen present, and this nitrogen has a lone pair of electron. It is willing to donate its lone pair of electron to the oxygen present in carbonyl group of reducing sugar, as oxygen is more electronegative because it is eager to complete its octet ring structure so that it can provide the desired stability to the component. Now, so here the amine group basically acts as a nucleophile, okay, donating its lone pair of electron to carbonyl oxygen and forming a bond thereby. So in the first stage, what happens is you have a product which is called as N-substituted glycosylamine produced along with water. Then in the subsequent stage, N-substituted glycosylamine, it can choose one of the two paths. It can either undergo Amadori rearrangement or Heinz rearrangement to produce a number of chemicals such as aldehydes, the alpha dicarbonyl components, then you have reductons and melanodins, which undergo further side reactions to produce compounds that give food products, their aroma and brown hue, as seen in baked goods. For instance, you have production of short chain aldehydes, which are considered to be the flavor components in baked products. So, in case of Amadori rearrangement, aldosamine is converted to ketosamine, and in case of Heinz rearrangement, ketosamine is converted to aldosamine. The brown pigments, they are produced as a result of formation of certain reactive cyclic components during Maillard reaction. Now, Maillard reaction can have advantages and disadvantages. First, let's look at the advantages of this reaction. Of course, you have production of desirable flavors. So, industrially, there are several flavoring agents that are used, which are byproducts of Maillard reaction. One is furans, and the other one is alkyl pyrazine. Okay, both are used as flavor enhancer in drinks and desserts at an industrial level. Second is synthesis of antioxidants such as reductons, okay, which are capable of chelating metal ions like copper and iron. This can reduce the impact of free radicals that are formed during lipid oxidation or vitamin C oxidation. Now, we have spoken about the advantages. There are several disadvantages of Maillard reaction as well. So, the first one is production of certain off flavors and brown pigmentation. Okay, now, for instance, if you have Maillard reaction occurring in UST treated milk, this is not considered a desirable reaction in milk. Why? Because consumers do not perceive that milk to be natural. The second one is reduction in nutritional value of certain amino acids like lysine. So, what happens is lysine is one amino acid which is actively involved in Maillard reaction with a reducing sugar. So, if the structure or the chemical nature of lysine is altered, then what happens is the there is decrease in lysine nutritional value, meaning it may not be easily available in the human body, and lysine being an essential amino acid should be made available through the food that we consume. Finally, there could be production of toxic components. For instance, you have acrylamide formation. Okay. Then you also have certain meat products when you subject it to grilling process or roasting. There is production of um, nitrosamine on reaction with nitrites, which is considered to be a carcinogenic compound. Thank you for staying with me through the video. In case you have any queries, please feel free to put them in the comment section and I'll get back at the earliest.